Is your money safe in the age of fintech? Unveiling Sofi. Ever heard of a bank that lets you trade stocks, get career coaching, and pay your bills all from the same app? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what Sofi promises. But with a financial landscape increasingly dominated by flashy fintech apps, a crucial question remains: is Sofi legit? Let's face it, trusting an app with your hard-earned cash is a big deal. Gone are the days of your friendly neighborhood banker. Now you're navigating a world of algorithms and online reviews. So, before you take the plunge with Sofi, let's dive deep and see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, Sofi isn't exactly a bank. It's a financial services company offering a mobile app that combines features of traditional banking with modern investing tools. They started by offering student loan refinancing, but have since expanded into personal loans, mortgages, and even robo-advising for your investments. Sounds comprehensive, but is it safe? Here's the good news: Sofi is insured for up to $250,000 by the FDIC for checking and savings accounts, just like a regular bank. That means if Sofi goes belly up, the government protects your money. But Sofi goes a step further. They partner with an insurance company to provide an additional layer of protection, bringing your total coverage to a whopping $2 million. Now, about that investing side of things. Sofi uses a robo-advisor, meaning an algorithm does the heavy lifting of managing your investments. This can be a great option for beginners, but keep in mind, robo-advisors typically follow a conservative approach. So, if you're a risk seeker looking for hot stock picks, Sofi might not be your best bet. So far, Sofi seems legit. But let's talk about fees. Sofi boasts no monthly account fees, which is a major plus. However, they do charge some transaction fees, like for international money transfers. And if you're looking for a personal loan, the interest rates can vary depending on your creditworthiness. Here's where things get interesting. Sofi heavily targets young professionals. They offer career coaching and networking opportunities, which can be a valuable perk for recent grads or those looking for a career change. They also have a strong social impact focus, offering student loan repayment assistance programs and community development partnerships. But is Sofi perfect? No app is. Some users complain about a lack of customer service options, with support primarily offered through online chat or email. There's also the whole new kid on the block factor. Sofi doesn't have the long-standing reputation of traditional banks. So, the verdict? Sofi is a legitimate financial services app with a lot to offer, especially for young, tech-savvy individuals. They provide FDIC insurance, a user-friendly app, and a variety of financial tools. However, if you crave personalized customer service or a more traditional banking experience, Sofi might not be the best fit. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial needs and preferences. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if Sofi aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.